we take you to the Hotel Martinet in Brooklyn, where Bobby Millett and his orchestra are offering a program of dance music.
Lesson 2.
I'd like to know, are you really ready for some super dynamite soul? Introducing the world's greatest entertainer, Mr. Dynamite, the amazing Mr. Please Please himself, the hardest working man in show business. Ladies and gentlemen, the star of the show, Jay!
Brown.
Get up, get on up, get up, get on up, stay on the scene, get on up, like a sex machine, get on up, get up, get on up, get up, get on up, stay on the scene, get on up, like a sex machine, get on up. Wait a minute. Funk, yeah. Funk, yeah. Funk, yeah, yeah. Funk.
I got a pretty cat.
To ask yourself one question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
Excuse me, y'all. Yo.
Mama used to say, take your time, young man. Mama used to say, don't you rush to get old. Mama used to say, take it in your stride. Mama used to say, live your life.
Gorgeous, pretty, fine girls, tourists from around the world, executives in the business suits, Texans in the cowboy boots, officials of the government, and those on unemployment drive around in limousines to rock the beat. We'll see, rock the house, y'all.
Now then, let us have some fun.
What's up, Doc? Cha-cha-cha, forward, back, cha-cha-cha, back, forward.
What you gonna play now?
Get up off of that thing and shake till you feel better. Get up off of that thing and shake till say it now. Get up off of that thing and shake till you feel better. Get up off of that thing and try to release that pressure. Hit that.
Well, how about cutting a reaper?
Get up on the sheet arbor.
I sure enough feel good.
Say, children, what does it all mean?
This stuff is really fresh.